Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this very refreshing fat burning detox water recipe that will help crush down your belly fat, cleanse your stomach, and equally clean your skin pores, leaving your skin looking so fresh, hydrated, and rejuvenated with beautiful skin, because this will cleanse and detox you from the inside, burning fats. And talking of burning fats, the first ingredient I'll be using will be a very powerful fat burning detoxifying ingredient, which is lime. Lime helps to burn fats, dissolve accumulated fats in your system, support your system to detox itself. This is very alkalizing to strengthen your immune system, fight diseases for you, leaving your system from the inside so clean and very active. So I'll be using one lime. You simply just want to slice in sizes. If you're using a bigger jar, you just slice like this, but if they are smaller bottles, you can slice in two more halves. So that will help burn fats and clean your skin up. The second ingredient I'll be using will be kiwi. If you don't have kiwi, you can substitute with pineapple. They all have that good acids in them to help flush out bad acids, sodiums in your system, leaving your system so clean, free of gas. That way you easily break down food without being constipated and bloated. This is very fat burning, loaded with vitamin C to cleanse your skin pores, leaving your skin looking so fresh, rejuvenated, and youthful. So I'll be using one kiwi. You want to just get it as a peel and slice up depending the size of your bottle. I do this to take to work, so I don't get to feel like drinking pubs which are sugary. Like, this makes water fun, plus it helps you burn fats. Like, I'll get into that at the end of the video. So that is my one kiwi. I'll be adding half a cucumber in here. So I just like to peel, like, just I like, if you've been watching my videos, you know I like to kind of have some beautiful, like, I like to make my food looking so attractive. That way I feel like eating, because if they look boring, I'll not just like eating or drinking. So this makes the cucumber look so attractive. And cucumbers are very good as they are alkalizing as well. They support your system to detox itself, plus they are like 92% water based, to load up your system, to hydrate your system, load up your system with freshness, give you that hydration to your pores. That way you have that freshness to your skin, and plus cleanse you from the inside. So this is my half a cucumber sliced into these shapes, and voila, that is my third ingredient. And I'll be adding in some mint to help boost your metabolism. That way you easily break down and burn fats in your system, plus it brings in a good flavor in this drink. And not just that, it gives you that good freshness from your mouth. Like, you know, when you consume this during the day, you don't have any odor, or that, you know, that tired, not freshness breath. This freshens you up as well. If you have it, like, you take it to work, this is something, this is a staple. Yeah. So the next thing I'll be adding will be orange, and I'll be adding one orange juice. The oranges are equally very fat burning as well, because they contain those good acids to burn down bad acids in your system. They are alkalizing, they are loaded with antioxidants to fight free radical damage during the day. Like, having this as your drink during the day fights free radical damage from the inside. That way you don't suffer from skin issues due to environmental free radicals. Very logical. Vitamin C is very good, and citrus fruits they are like a very rich source of antioxidants to help fight free radical damage, which causes like 70% skin issues. So these are my two bottles and my cup. So depending on you, if you're to have this at home, if you are at home, that is fine, but I'm working, so I'd like to put this in my bottle, so I just grab to work. Once I'm done with one bottle, I fill it up with water again. That is what I do, so that way I don't feel like consuming sugary drinks, and you know what I'm trying to say. And yeah, plus I just want to consume something that will be cleansing and detoxifying me while burning fat. So I just like splitted the ingredients in the cup, the bottles, like yeah. So I'll be having the cup at home, and the two bottles are for me to take to work. So while at work, so now you just put in all your ingredients, and I added in some ice cubes so that this drink is chilling in the mouth and not boring. Like it has a good taste, so you don't feel like you're missing out on all those sugary pops. You know what I'm trying to say? So yeah, this makes it fun. You don't feel bored like you're being deprived, and it helps you burn fats, cleanse your system, detox you up. You burn fats, tackles your belly fat rather than those sugary pops that will only load your system up with sugar and you end up with belly fat. And yeah, so this is a very, very healthy detox fat burning water recipe that you want to try. All these ingredients here are fat burning. They are detoxifiers, alkalizing to your system to help cleanse you up and leave your pores, your skin looking so fresh, leave your skin with a lot of hydration and looking so vibrant. So this is what you want to do. If you're making in the evening, you want to peel off the lime, the back of the lime, so this doesn't get bitter the next day. Because I realize when I am doing this, I have to drink it same day. But if you're doing this overnight to take to work the next day, you want to peel the back of the lime so it doesn't taste bitter. That is just the simple trick here, and you enjoy your drink the next day. This is very good. Like this is very good. It makes water fun to drink, very hydrating. Plus, if you are that person who loves drinking water as well alongside with this, it is so good. Like that is this water is life. Like you want to cleanse your system with detox recipes like this, and make sure you drink fresh water as well. If you can't do that on days you can't do recipes like that, just drink your regular fresh water, which is very cleansing as well to clean up your system. But if you want to burn fats, try this fat burning detox recipe I've shared with you today, and have it as your, like, just take it to work, come back and tell me. It will cleanse you, relieve you of bloating, constipation. Like it will take that gas out of your system, give you more energy to work well without loading you up with tiring sugars and the rest. Like this is something you want to try, and it will help you maintain a healthy body size, free of belly fat. These are my recipes I go for that I share with you here on this channel, and they help me stay healthy with a good body size without being obese, ending up with health complications. And so be proactive than reactive so you can stay healthy. Don't wait until you eat all the wrong things, and before you know it, your doctor start telling you not to eat banana, not to eat oranges, not to eat pineapples because they contain little bits of good sugars. Those are good sugars, because some people completely don't even consume even the least sugar, and you see them fluctuating between low sugar and high sugar. Why find yourself in that situation? Not that it is a bad thing if you're already in that space, but if you are already in that situation, just try to be healthy, follow your doctor's instructions, stay away from the things they tell you to stay away from, and make sure you eat just healthy, natural food. I share a lot of good recipes here on this channel you want to try and live a healthy life free of sicknesses. And yeah, so share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.